In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Baserow to create a database, tables, and automation. Let's get started by setting up your own Baserow account. First, navigate to the Baserow website. On the home page, you'll find an option to sign up for a new account. Simply follow the prompts to enter your details and create your account. Once your account is set up, you'll be automatically logged in and brought to what's called your Baserow workspace. This workspace is your personal area where all of your databases and projects will be stored. At this point, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's designed to be clean and straightforward, so you can focus on building your database with ease. Now let's move on to actually creating a database. In the workspace, look for a button or an option that says Create Database. Give this a click. Baserow will then ask if you want to start from scratch or use a template. For today's demo, choose From Scratch, as this gives you the most flexibility and control over your structure. Next, you'll need to give your new database a name. This name should reflect the purpose or the content of the database you're building. For example, if you're organizing business information, you might call it something like My Business Database. This isn't just a label. It helps you and your team easily identify the database's purpose as you grow and create more databases in the future. With your new database named and created, you now have a central location where you can organize related information for your business or personal projects. Once you're inside your newly created database, it's time to build your first table. Tables in Baserow function much like spreadsheets. They're where you will store and organize the actual data. Look for the option to add or create a table. Click this to begin. You'll be prompted to name your table, so choose a title that represents the type of data you're going to store there. For example, if you're tracking customer information, you might name the table Clients or Customers. Customize your columns to fit your needs. You can add text fields, dates, numbers, attachments, and more. Think carefully about the structure, since a well-organized table makes data entry and analysis much easier down the line. That covers the basics of creating your account, setting up a database, and building your first table in Baserow. As you become more comfortable with this platform, you can explore more advanced features, including automation, which helps streamline repetitive tasks and boost your efficiency. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want to learn more about automation and other Baserow features, be sure to check out our next videos.